The LIVALL PikaBoost 2 is a cutting-edge e-bike conversion kit designed to effortlessly transform a standard bicycle into an electric one. Compact and easy to install, it offers a plug-and-play experience with minimal tools required. The kit includes a lightweight motorized hub, a rechargeable battery, and smart sensors that provide smooth power assistance based on riding conditions. With multiple riding modes such as Eco and Sport, it adapts to both casual commutes and more demanding terrains. Its regenerative braking feature extends battery life, while Bluetooth connectivity allows for app-based customization and monitoring. While the PikaBoost 2 excels in portability and versatility, its power and range might not satisfy high-performance riders. For commuters and enthusiasts seeking an affordable and eco-friendly way to upgrade their bike, it's an excellent choice. The CargoDrive is a compact and efficient transportation solution for small to medium loads. Designed for durability and ease of use, it's ideal for personal and professional tasks. Its ergonomic design ensures smooth handling, while foldable or adjustable components make it portable and easy to store. Cyclists can benefit from lightweight trailer attachments, perfect for urban commutes or errands. Motorized models may include electric assist features, reducing effort and increasing efficiency. Though not suited for heavy-duty use, the CargoDrive excels in versatility and eco-friendliness, making it a practical choice for those seeking a reliable and sustainable way to transport goods. The QIDI Vida is a high-performance 3D printer designed for precision and reliability, catering to professionals and hobbyists alike. Known for its sturdy build and advanced features, it offers excellent print quality with a wide range of materials, including PLA, ABS, and TPU. The printer boasts a user-friendly interface, buddy Wi-Fi connectivity, and a quiet operation, enhancing convenience during use. Its enclosed design ensures temperature stability for complex projects, while the removable magnetic build plate simplifies post-printing cleanup. While it may come at a higher price point, the QIDI Vida delivers consistent results, making it a great choice for serious deep printing enthusiasts. The Overade LIFE is a cutting-edge urban mobility helmet designed to prioritize safety and style. Lightweight and foldable, it's perfect for commuters who value portability without compromising protection. Its sleek design includes adjustable straps and ventilation, ensuring comfort during extended use. The helmet meets safety standards, offering reliable impact protection for cyclists, e-scooter riders, and other urban travelers. Innovative features, such as optional integrated lights or a visor, enhance visibility and practicality. While the foldable mechanism is convenient for storage, it may slightly compromise rigidity compared to traditional helmets. Overall, Overade LIFE is an excellent choice for modern, safety-conscious commuters. The CRANNS RB6 is a premium wristwatch that combines modern technology with classic design. Featuring a robust build and sleek aesthetics, it's crafted for durability and style. The watch typically includes advanced functionalities such as water resistance, luminous hands, and precise timekeeping powered by reliable quartz or automatic movements. Its comfortable strap and scratch-resistant face make it ideal for daily wear or outdoor adventures. While its minimalist design appeals to those who prefer understated elegance, the CRANNS RB6 may lack smart features like Bluetooth connectivity or fitness tracking. Overall, it's a refined choice for individuals seeking a durable and sophisticated timepiece. The Moto II is a sleek and versatile motorcycle designed for riders who value style, performance, and practicality. With a modern aesthetic and ergonomic design, it offers a comfortable and smooth ride, whether navigating urban streets or exploring open highways. The bike typically features a fuel-efficient engine, responsive handling, and advanced braking systems for enhanced safety and reliability. Its lightweight frame and balanced suspension provide excellent maneuverability, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced riders. While it may lack the raw power of larger bikes, the Moto II excels in affordability and everyday usability, making it a dependable choice for commuters and enthusiasts alike. The The Arara is an innovative bicycle lighting system designed for safety and style. Unlike traditional bike lights, it uses magnetic induction to power wheel-mounted LED lights, eliminating the need for batteries. As you pedal, the lights create a striking visual effect, enhancing visibility and safety, especially at night. The system is lightweight, easy to install, and water-resistant, making it suitable for various weather conditions. Its minimalist design ensures it doesn't interfere with the bike's aesthetics or performance. While its reliance on motion means the lights only work while moving, the Arara is a unique, eco-friendly solution for modern cyclists seeking standout visibility. The Kuberg Ranger is a unique blend of an electric dirt bike and a personal scooter, designed for off-road enthusiasts and adventurers. It features a robust electric motor with impressive torque, offering a top speed of up to 50 miles per hour, depending on the model. Its lightweight frame and innovative design make it easy to handle, even on challenging terrains. A standout feature is the Ranger's foldable seat, allowing riders to switch between seated and stand-up riding for added versatility. The bike also boasts long-lasting battery life, fast charging, and regenerative braking. While its premium price may not appeal to casual users, the Kuberg Ranger is an excellent choice for thrill seekers looking for a powerful, eco-friendly, and versatile off-road experience. The BikerTop is a practical and innovative accessory designed to keep cyclists dry and protected in adverse weather conditions. This portable, foldable canopy easily attaches to most bicycles, providing a shield from rain, wind, or intense sun. Made from durable, water-resistant materials, it ensures reliable protection while maintaining a lightweight design for easy transport. The BikerTop is quick to deploy and fold away, making it ideal for commuters or cyclists caught in unexpected weather. While it adds convenience, the canopy may slightly impact aerodynamics and visibility in high winds. Overall, it's an excellent choice for those seeking comfort and functionality during their rides. The Hiplok 1000 series is a top-tier security solution designed to protect bicycles with maximum durability and convenience. Featuring a heavy-duty chain and lock system, it provides robust resistance against cutting or tampering. The chain is wrapped in a weather-resistant, removable sleeve, preventing scratches on your bike while withstanding outdoor elements. A key feature is its wearable design, allowing the lock to be comfortably carried around the waist without a bag. The series offers a high security rating, making it ideal for urban environments or high-theft areas. Though heavier than lightweight locks, its superior protection and innovative portability make it a trusted choice for serious cyclists.